welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. If you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button. I'm told I need that. Hit the like button and ring the bell and stuff like that. Tell me what you think as well. I'm going to throw a meal together here tonight. Very simple, very quick, very low calorie. Akin to keto, actually. I think it's probably keto. I've got a yellow squash here. I've got one zucchini, one yellow squash, of course. To this dish, I'm going to be adding one, let's call it a rope or half a rope or whatever, 14 ounces of kielbasa. If you decide to make this for yourself and your family, you can probably use any kind of sausage you like. Anyway, I bought the kielbasa for this dish. I saw this recipe somewhere, guys, and I'll have it for you for credit to whomever or wherever I got it from. When this video airs, it'll be in there, okay? I did some modifications to it, if you will. I always do, like you guys, if you watch Cooking with Pouncy. I'm going to put some shrimp in this dish. It didn't call for shrimp in the original one I saw. I've already marinated these shrimp, and I did that because I wanted some additional flavor in the shrimp itself, okay? So I've got them marinated. What did I marinate them in? I'll get red pepper flakes, salt, black pepper, some minced garlic, and that's at about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's here, okay? I'll be drizzling some of this olive oil over this process here as well once I get my sausage cut up and my vegetables cut up as well. It's all going to go in this dish here, and I hope it all fits. I'm going to saute the shrimp, and again, I'm ad-libbing, guys, because I didn't want to put the shrimp raw in here because I didn't want the water from the shrimp to let out of the shrimp into the dish here. I didn't know what that would look like or sound like or feel like. So I'm going to saute these, and as you know, cooking shrimp, it's probably going to take me about maybe 5 minutes or less to get these to a kind of a translucent doneness, okay? Because I will fold them into this whole process before I put my cheese on top, okay? Doesn't that sound good, guys? And that's it for that, right? And this stuff's going to shrink too, because I'm going to cook it for about a half hour at 350 degrees. And this stuff is going to shrink, as you know. Water's going to come out of it like crazy. And when I put the shrimp in, I'm just going to toss the whole thing. And again, I'm looking at it, guys, and I might put it in a larger dish because I'm going to have to put that shrimp in there as well. And I don't want the stuff too crowded because I want it to spread out so it'll cook. All right, here's some olive oil. And I'm just going to drizzle some on the top here, not too much. We're going to drizzle some on. We're going to call that about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, okay? All right, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to toss them, to coat them in that olive oil. Glad I got a larger dish here, guys, I'm telling you, because it'd be all over the counter otherwise. All right, there you go. Well, there you are. All right, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on there now. Watch your sodium, guys, all right? Let's take this one off. And put that one aside, and let's do some salt here. Well, what's your sodium? I'm sort of aiming at the vegetables, guys, actually, okay? Sort of aiming at those vegetables, not the sausage. You know, the sausage has got salt in it as well. Everything's got salt in it. So you can put salt on it or not if you'd like, your own, right? Of course you can. But that's what I just did with that. That's all the salt I'm gonna put. I'm not gonna toss it anymore and try to get more salt on the other side. And let's do some black pepper as well, all right? I can put the pepper all over because pepper's not gonna hurt anything. I thought about sprinkling some red pepper flakes on it too, but I don't think I will. All right, because the shrimp has pepper flakes on it too. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm actually going to put this in the 350-degree oven. I'm going to let them do their thing for a half hour. Do that right now, and you can see me put it in the oven, I reckon. I don't know why you have to see everything, for God's sake, guys, but that's how it goes. Here we go. Middle rack here. Got hit in the face with some heat, but that's all right too. And I'm setting my timer for 30 minutes. I'm going to put just a little bit. I'll show you the pan. I'm going to put just a little, and there's just a little smidget of olive oil here. I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil to get my shrimp started, and that's it. That's all I need right there, guys. I don't know whether you can even see that, okay? But that's all the oil I need to saute that shrimp in. Got the shrimp on. You might be able to hear them sizzling. And there they are. They're just starting to turn pink. I just put them on. And again, I've got about a tablespoon of olive oil in there. And I think I'm going to undercook them just a little bit, guys. And of course, you know why that is, because I'm going to be putting them in the oven with those vegetables just before I put my cheese on to melt that cheese, okay? See how fast they're cooking there. I think you can see that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, guys. Just want to check back with you for a little bit. We're almost done here. Just about finished with this before I plate it up, guys. I want you to see me doing this. And of course, there's a lot of water in here that came from that shrimp, which is why I wanted to cook the shrimp separately, guys, okay? Remember, I said I didn't want it to taste like gumbo or taste like I don't know what I'm saying, all that stuff. But anyway, that's why I didn't want to leave all that water that's going to come out of that shrimp. And again, I like the fact that I marinated the shrimp. That gives it extra flavor as well. And then so now, like I said, I'm going to fold this in here, put it back in, let it finish cooking. There's that water. And we'll let it finish cooking. And let's just get this down in here a little bit, like that. It sure looks good, guys. Looks good. As you can see, I'm just letting that shrimp kind of work its way down between all this goodness here. Looks good. It smells good too, guys. And again, that recipe that I saw somewhere didn't have shrimp in it, and I thought, yeah, put some shrimp in it, make it better, more better. Okay. All right, there you have it, guys. All right, I'm going to stick it back in the oven there for a little bit. I want those vegetables to be al dente too, as you know. And they're just about ready. They got about another 3 minutes. So let's put this back in. It looks good, guys. And my timer's got about 3 minutes, and I think that's going to be perfect. So the next time you see this, the cheese will be melted on top of it. Looks really, really good. Really, really, really good. The cheese is all melted. Didn't take long. Took about 2 minutes to melt that cheese. And it looks really, really scrumptious, guys. I'm going to be plating it up, and it looks really, really good, guys. I'll use the word scrumptious again. Okay? Looks really, really good. Really good. Plates are very hot. I put the plates in the oven like Cooking with Pouncy always does, using that residual heat from the 350 degrees, so the plates are nice and hot as well. It looks good. Looks very good, guys. Thank you so much once again for tuning in to Cooking with Pouncy. If you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button and tell me what you think as well. And pass this on as you see fit, guys. We're going to enjoy this meal, and I certainly hope that if you decide to make it for yourself and your family, that you guys will enjoy it just as much as we're going to enjoy it as well. Good night.